Hey guys, so today we are continuing our search for documentary for the current event report project coming up about the documentary. So remember, for this project, you're going to choose a documentary, whether it's on Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, HBO, or good old fashioned DVD. And you're going to create an essential question about that documentary, gather information from that documentary covering two different perspectives, either like yes, they should, or no, they shouldn't, or whatever. And then at the end, after you finish watching, you're going to fill out the my opinion, the bias, and that's it. All right. So that was just a lowdown. So that way you kind of know what documentary you should be looking for. Before you even start completing this, make sure that first you find a documentary, whether it's on Netflix, Hulu, HBO, YouTube, so on and so forth, or good old fashioned DVD. If you're doing it on Netflix or like a streaming service, you might want to click on TV shows or movies and then click the sub genre of documentary. And then you'd be able to find one. Try to find one that will have two different viewpoints or is covering like a specific issue or conspiracy theory or something like that. So try to avoid like murder ones or cutesy little animal ones because that's going to be hard to do an essential question on. You might want to choose some where they're covering like something with science or the environment or social justice, so on and so forth. All right. So once you've found one that you think you'd be interested in covering, go ahead and fill out this documentary approval form. And this is just for me to make sure that you found one that's going to fit the project and one that is, of course, school appropriate. So go ahead and put the title of the documentary in this approval form, how you plan to access it, whether it's Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, HBO, YouTube, DVD, or whatever. Go ahead and type your answer in here. And I will be checking this multiple times per day so that way I can get you your approval as quickly as possible. So don't start filling out your documentary project or start watching that documentary until you've gotten approval. Okay, I wouldn't want you to get halfway done with this project and then get like a message from me that says like, sorry, this one won't work for the project. Okay, so make sure that you wait until you get that approval. My goal is to get you that approval as quickly as possible, and it should be through email. So make sure you're checking your email. All right. If you have any questions or need some recommendations on some documentaries to watch, feel free to ask. See you later, guys.